Hi all. Good evening. Good to see you all in this beautiful place. And I thank this Five Minds Media for giving this opportunity. So myself Wilson, I am the top grocer e-commerce division head, and I'll be just taking you through how the drastic changes has happened and how we are doing and how all are doing together and what better we can do. So I know somebody here, like I know sir here before we met. Uh, Couple of faces have been recognized last summit we all met. But it's a good opportunity that I just wanted to share the things like how and what is that we are doing. So to start off, this is the key points that which I wanted to summarize and give you. I will not take much of your time. I know it is sitting here and taking it a long time. It doesn't take much. So these are some of the reimagining of the grocery digital transform retail in UAE. So I'll just summarize here by giving you a small story. So before that, I'll like to play a small video. Just go through and understand how it is happening. Okay, so here I think the video which I wanted to show you and tell you that in this busy world there was a working woman. I just take it as short, a story which you all can I'll explain and how this is going to be. So this lady, like in a busy working day, she was grabbing a coffee and wanted to have some ordering the grocery from the mobile. So that what she was doing at all, and the grocery shopping, not the cart, but just tapping her phone. She was able to do that, and you all know that like years ago and the weekend grocery trips, it was there, and there was a parking hustle and the long queues. There were missing items. Simplifying all these things, now there is an e-grocery app where they just she opened, and the starting she was she was talking about in Arabic and English, and she was able to communicate and say that, hey, see, I want this 1 2 3 and this order. So what the application did, based on our recipe bundle and cooking habits, it started suggesting that yes, you can do this better than this and all other stuff. Okay, she was placed in order, and she was click an option called click and collect the option. There's an option called click and collect. So when there's an unpredicted, Dubai is very the traffic area. So on unpredicted day, she went to she scheduled herself and went to, there is a scheduled pickup, which has been temperature controlled, locker. So she just went inside and she just tapped it and took her items and went. Before that, she got a pop-up from saying that suggested an eco-friendly detergent from the local producer, saying that hey, it is a reusable package and it has been carbon badge. So she thought that okay, I can also buy this so that it will helpful for her and as well as the planet. So what she is what, based on her habit, based on her shopping experience, the technology has suggested her what was her food habits, and she was not able to find anything, and suggested by the app, and she was started doing the shopping. So later in the evening, the grocery was packed, and the entire items were kept at the storage, and she collected. Meanwhile, the entire backend system of our shopping network, like Power BI, and uh, analyzed by the UI instructions, like the strict regulations, like the biocarbonate and all should be used, and all the latest technology also been worked on the back, and she was gotten a pop-up, and she was agreed upon that, and she started doing the shopping. So here what happened, she don't know anything. All she know, it is very easy, very faster, and more aligned shopping network. So here, my friends, I wanted to tell you that we all are here in a digital world of a grocery, where we are seeing that end user what exactly he required. Till today, yes, we are very fast in giving the delivery, and we are very eager to deliver the items to the customer. So that's what with this we can add the technology to that, where the bundle, like based on their shopping experience, based on their food habits, like what she is browsing and all of this stuff. Because there is now the AI technology, where we can give everything, and that can be integrated with our websites with an app. So the end users will be able to understand that what exactly it has been happening. So here I wanted to tell you that digital grocery is what, like, it's essential for the initial. So this is another what is exactly happening on the e-commerce, and this will be in a short video which goes through all of it.
Dubai's e-commerce sector is booming, with nearly 99% of its population connected to the internet, creating immense opportunities for growth. As the UAE accelerates its digital transformation, e-commerce platforms are emerging as top business ideas for 2025. Dubai's strategic location and state-of-the-art infrastructure make it an ideal hub for online retail, attracting entrepreneurs and investors alike. The city's growing consumer base, coupled with favorable business policies, signals a great time to back into e-commerce ventures. This upward trajectory is further propelled by the UAE's initiatives to enhance digital connectivity, solidifying its position as a leader in the region's digital economy. Dubai's e-commerce sector is booming, with nearly 99% of its population.
Now we can see this is the artificial intelligence, where it is able to understand what is this low shelf and how the inventory management it is doing. It is by doing by the cell. So this kind of technology is already yeah. So all you will see that we are, and Dubai, like it is very you can do the technology at any time, because entire the Dubai government is also supporting us to encouraging in AI, advanced technology, and everything that it has been aligned. Just you need an idea, just you need a technology to the right table and the right place to explain, and the end users will be able to understand that what exactly they require. So here is the surprise. I wanted to tell the name of the lady which I was telling in the story. Her name is Aisha, and we made her to first habit. After the pandemic, we were able to see that it was a necessary, now it became a habit. Now we can see if we need anything. While coming, I was talking to my boss, and he had a daughter, and all of a sudden there was a remote was damaged, and she was crying a lot. But he's in office, nobody had able to go to the store and get something and able to deliver her because she's crying a lot. Then he had an idea to just click on the app, open the available tab, in 15-20 minutes there is a new remote available on her table. She was happy. So how the technology has been habited to the everyone. Earlier days we used to go out and see, okay, it takes time, it takes 1 day, 2 days, or might be a second day. If you are out of station, again it takes too much time. So now everything, my friends, it is in the one click of button, you get it everything on your right of the table. So all we need, we know everything this is happening. But how the technology, how the digital transformation happened in the grocery, like we are making a habituation to all the end users, where they are, one click they are able to understand. That's what my story was. She was not able to go outside, just clicked and whatever she needed with the AI technology and her habit of food suggestions, and she was able to get it. And personalization tailorized was suggested because her entire food habit were cooking. If something is missed, she already suggested, and that was the reason that we should always see that where what end user is required. For example, if I keep on consistently buying something, so you should give a suggestion to the end user saying that, hey, see, you missed this one. Or you should tell that, with the accuracy of the stock which is available, hey, see, the next 15 days is going to be out of stock. You're going to take this, not to all the customers, okay? It's not to all end users. Who is a frequent buyer, who is already, rely on us, and apart from that, they don't know anything, only the online grocery they know. So for that, those kind of customers, the data should be, we should always prioritize and give them a proper, what is the priority to them. So that's what the personalized, when you make it, they will not leave you, because you are able to fulfill their requirement at the right time, whenever they require. So, and again I say that the click and collect, I think Dubai doesn't have this kind of option. If anybody is having, I don't know. Click and collect is the option, like, if I am out of, at the airport, I couldn't be reaching at my place in, just say that when connecting flight, I'm reaching in 2 hours. So I cannot, nobody at home, we are not able to, keep at the door. So I can do the shopping, I can click and collect in a controlled room temperature. So that kind of technology or that kind of option, if you give to the end user, you will definitely feel that, yes, the moment on my way, I can just click, I can collect, and I can go back. So that kind of, if we can keep that digital kind of information we can give to the end users, that will also help. And sustainability is something like, the packing system I see in Dubai, like now it started getting more of papers and all of that. But if we have to see how eco-friendly packing should also be implemented, basically not on a retail. If you do it on a digital wise, people will come more. Like, if I go to retail, I can pick up any plastic or it has been paper packed or some other packing. But in all the digital platforms, if we all can give us eco-friendly packing, delivered to the end user, definitely. Because they might be thinking, like my story, that she was thinking, yes, if I buy this, it will helpful for me, and also I am helpful to the society and to the planet also. That kind of thinking should be always give them, and we have to mention in a description of the item saying that this is eco-friendly. What happens? Some people doesn't, everybody knows that what happens on eco-friendly. So after using that, what you have to do the packing. That instruction, small 1 or 2 lines. After using this, you have to keep it here. You have to use it here. So that kind of information, if you give on the product buy, then that will also really helpful. So the AI technology also is already, which I was telling, the voice command, voice commerce is something like, she speaks in Arabic. I think everybody using the banking sites. The moment you open that, you will able to see, you are able to see there is a one mascot character which comes. That is not available anywhere in our grocery. Some people, like, the kid, okay, just elderly people doesn't know how to order. The moment he or she opens the app, there should be a small information voice control saying that, hey, hi, welcome, what do you need, in Arabic or English. So that kind of facility if we keep, so end user will not leave you for at any cost. You can just show it to the elderly people or the kid who is available, they will take it whatever they want. That kind of voice commerce and the background, definitely that will also work. So as I am telling, the localization, wherever we are in Dubai now, so Arabic first experience for engagement, like if you keep on giving their language requirement and the explanation to them, they will definitely be on engage with the mobile app, and they will not go back and see any other things. And ordering automation is something now, I think smart refrigerators are coming. When you doesn't even know what's happening, your refrigerator start ordering your app saying that, hey, the milk is running low, so I'll automatically keep an order. So that kind of blockchain, that kind of artificial intelligence, everything is coming. So all the points which I was shown in the 15, there's all been mentioned in that. So if you all make it, it's a very healthy habit to our end users. I think definitely it will also help us to making, yeah. So that is also, I just wanted to conclude here on to the next. So the 65% of Dubai shoppers started doing their online journey, okay, with the quick commerce, and we should also invest in our digital platform, like digital means digital inventory, we have to do it, and a partnership with the tech ecosystem, which I was telling about the packing, we should start doing the packing system and that. Loyalty program, yes, we should also do a loyalty program to our end users, which will not leave you back. And the Dubai is an innovation for the business expansion. My friends, here I wanted to tell you one thing. We are in Dubai. Encourage everything here. Everyone knows. So let's be digitally more into the end user platform, and we will also see that what exactly we can give to the team. And I once again thanks this media for giving me this opportunity. Rahul, thank you so much. Thank you one and all for listening to me. Thank you.